Hey guys and girls, it's Julia from the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the Jon Renau SmartLace Lite collection style Zara Lite. Now, Zara is already a popular Jon Renau style. It's a bestseller, and you can see why. Jon Renau has given Zara an upgrade. Zara Lite is a light hair density wig. The SmartLace Lite cap is 100% hand-tied. It also has a stretch section to give you added comfort. A key feature of this cap is the ear-to-ear sheer SmartLace front. It is so well done. I can't wait to show it to you. Also, the polyurethane ear tabs. They give you non-slip grip security, and you can also use adhesive or double-sided tape on the lace front and the ear tabs. We cannot forget the silicone nape, which also gives you non-slip grip, added security, and you can use adhesive on that as well. Let me show you. The Jon Renau SmartLace Lite cap is the ultimate in luxury. The ear-to-ear lace front mimics a natural hairline. Every fiber is hand-tied one by one. The generous single-layer monofilament allows multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural growth. The 100% hand-tied cap also provides the appearance of natural growth. It has a stretch section that is a customized stretch from front to back and ear to ear. On either side are polyurethane ear tabs, which are adjustable. You can use adhesive with these ear tabs if desired. In the back, you have the silicone nape, which provides you no-slip grip for added security. You could use adhesive along the nape as well. On either side are Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Zara Lite's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now, right out of the box with the adjusters on the luscious setting, this wig cap fits me perfectly. I don't need to adjust it at all. Because this is a 100% hand-tied cap, that means there is some stretch. So I think if your head size is slightly larger, you should be able to wear this style without a problem. Zara Lite is made of the Jon Renau high-quality synthetic fiber. It is not heat-friendly. It is very smooth and silky to the touch. Look how it flows. And what I like about Zara Lite is that the hair density is light and very natural looking. It's not too poofy at the top or at the sides or at the back. When I use a wide tooth comb, it's very easy to comb through. Now, all long wigs tangle. That cannot be avoided. But the Jon Renau fiber untangles quite easily just by combing. Zara Lite's lace front extends ear to ear, which gives wonderful coverage and a more realistic looking hairline, especially if you're going to wear Zara in an updo. You can always use adhesive or double-sided tape to secure the lace front to your skin. Look how realistic. It's just gorgeous. One thing I want to point out is that Zara Lite's ear tabs sit higher, at least on my head size. As you can see, the end of the ear tab is here. Now, this won't be a problem if you choose a wig that is the same color as your own hair, or if you have no hair at all. I have Zara Lite parted in the center. Take a look at this gorgeous parting space. It looks as if hair is growing right out of my scalp. The single layer monofilament top gives you unlimited parting options. I have Zara Lite parted in the center. Let's see what it will look like parted to the right. And now parted to the left. The fibers are so easy to work with. This is such a beautiful wig. Let's take a look at this gorgeous style in a 360. I'm wearing Zara Lite in the beautiful color Palm Springs Blonde, FS 17101S18. Palm Springs Blonde is a cool medium ash blonde with icy platinum highlights and dark ash blonde roots. It's a beautiful cool tone color. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. The Zara Lite 100% hand-tied cap gives you unlimited styling ability. No worries of wefts showing. You can create intricate updos. You can wear this in a ponytail that's up or down, whatever your heart desires. Zara looks very natural, tucked behind the ear. And because you have this gorgeous ear-to-ear lace front, you can wear this style pulled back off the face. The style also looks gorgeous in a ponytail. You can also put Zara into a quick updo, giving the back a twist, taking your claw clip, Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comment section below. If you wear Zara Lite, we would love to hear your experience with this style. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Zara Lite, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. I've received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now. I'm very happy with the customer service. If you have questions about colors, sizing, anything, you can email support@pinkeepromise.com and get answers before you buy. Now, when you visit the Pinkee Promise website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review of this gorgeous new style. Take care. Bye-bye.